I'm Meg Callahan with Infectious Disease Special Edition, and I'm here with Martin Gartland, who is the Medicine Development Lead for VH184, a new integrase inhibitor from ViiV Healthcare that is in phase 1 development. And what I'm hearing, the word around CROI 2026, which is where we are, is that it's maybe the first third-generation integrase inhibitor. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So VH184, it is the first third-generation integrase inhibitor, and the reason for that is that, well, firstly, it has the potency and similar activity to dolutegravir, probably the best second-generation integrase inhibitor. And on top of that, it has an enhanced resistance profile and also the potential to be long-acting. So taken together, that's why we believe it to be a third-generation integrase inhibitor.
So let's talk a little bit about the phase 1 data that we're talking about today at CROI. What were the pharmacokinetics like in the study that maybe make you think that it would be long-acting?
So we've been doing a study in using long-acting formulations of VH184, and that's what's going to be presented at CROI. We've looked at both sub-Q and intramuscular injections, and we've been following that out for a period of time greater than 6 months. And the drug levels that we see are above the levels that we need to be efficacious. So we feel that we are on the right path to having a twice yearly dosing regimen for VH184.
And in the phase 1, you're also looking at injection site reactions, correct?
Yes, we are. I mean, we have seen some injection site reactions, but nothing out of the ordinary for at this stage of development. So I think we believe that we will be able to comfortably move forward with what we've got.
So what are next steps for VH184?
Okay, so for the next step for VH184, we will start, and in fact, I've actually started a phase 2B study. In fact, I can tell you that the first patient entered that study this week. So that's going to be very exciting. That study will run for, approximately a year or 2 years or so. We'll gather the data from that, which will take us on to the next stage, so that we can move on to phase 3, where we will partner VH184 with some partner drugs from ViiV, yet to be identified, but we're making good progress with those as well.
Could you maybe say what you're thinking about, or what kind of drug classes you're thinking about pairing it with?
Well, so no decisions have actually been made yet, but we have in development capsid inhibitors and broadly neutralizing antibodies. So it really depends on what data we see, but that decision is really yet to be made.
Martin Gartland, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.
All right, thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can catch everything from Infectious Disease Special Edition.